Hello, today we're going to talk about the most recent moves within the crypto space. We're seeing that the price of Bitcoin jumped above $30,000 following a series of recent applications from traditional financial firms. Investors are growing bullish about the prospects of BlackRock and other major institutional names getting involved in digital assets. Last week, BlackRock submitted an application for a spot Bitcoin ETF, which would track Bitcoin's underlying market price without the investor having to own it. So, this is, I would say, a very significant development for the broadening of the investor base within the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space. And Bitcoin, of course, has hit its highest level since April, and as traders got excited about the prospects of a spot Bitcoin ETF following a series of recent applications, especially as I mentioned from BlackRock. And investors are growing bullish about the prospects of companies such as BlackRock and other major institutional names getting involved in the digital market space. And I would also like to mention these applications have happened despite all the bad news that's been surrounding the crypto space of late, with the market still reeling from the scandal of FTX's collapse. And we know that Mr. Sam Bankman Fried is now in prison, but still, we have to look at the headlines and we have to look at the participants who are uh, major players within the markets and especially within the crypto space. And we're seeing that the slate of spot Bitcoin ETF applications announcements by larger institutionals has definitely brought back bullishness into the crypto markets. And we're seeing that we also are constantly hitting a major support level at around $25,000 for Bitcoin, and we've seen this move be driven more by pure spot buying rather than a short liquidation type, which again is good news. And if we look at the price targets, we're seeing price targets of around $36,000 next, then $45,000, even more. $48,000 has also been announced as target. But the major driver currently for Bitcoin are these ETF announcements. And we're seeing that BlackRock and also even Coinbase, which is listed as the Bitcoin custodian for the proposed BlackRock ETF, this is going to be, I would say, quite a relief for Coinbase because this is the major US crypto exchange, and it has been undergoing a period of hardship lately under huge regulatory pressure from the US Securities and Exchange Commission. So, subsequent to BlackRock's announcement, a litany of other asset management firms have filed their own applications for a Bitcoin ETF, including Wisdom Tree and also Valkyrie. Elsewhere, we're also seeing that investors are keeping a close watch on macroeconomic indicators for a sense of movement in the crypto market. Previously, digital coins have been tied to moves in the financial markets more broadly, with Bitcoin often tracking the price of US equity markets. So investors have been watching data on inflation and the health of the economy for a sense of where Bitcoin may end up trading next. Overall, crypto has been lagging the traditional equity markets, and this is also kind of a catch up move that we're seeing right now, crypto versus traditional equity markets. And there's still some space for crypto to gain ground. And I'm quite confident that crypto will further gain ground. And for the time being, I would say you should be invested in crypto especially in these ETFs that have just been announced, because they provide you with a very nice alternative to the traditional equity markets. If you would like to receive more updates on what's going on in the market space, please like and subscribe. Thank you.